Welcome to the Stanford Prison Experiment by Philip Zimbardo and colleagues, presented by Kyle Sloss and Jodi-Marie Hastings. In 1971, a Stanford University professor by the name of Philip Zimbardo wanted to know what happens when you put good people in an evil place. Does humanity win over evil, or does evil triumph? To find participants, Zimbardo placed an ad in the local newspaper requesting volunteers for a study on the psychological effects of prison life. They were also told that they were going to be paid $15 for their involvement. To do this, a simulated prison was set up. Over 70 persons responded to the ad, but only 24 college students were used. The number was reduced to this by applying various psychological tests to the participants. The participants were arbitrarily split into two equal groups, those who would be prisoners and those who would be guards. The groups were split by simply flipping a coin. The students who played prisoners were picked up from their homes in police cars, given their Miranda rights, handcuffed, and charged. They were also searched, stripped naked, and sprayed for lice. How humiliating, right? They were also given prison uniforms, and the guards were given uniforms as well. The experimenters didn't give the guards any training on how to be guards. Instead, they were basically free within limits to command respect from the prisoners and to maintain law and order as they saw fit. On the second day of the experiment, a rebellion amongst the prisoners broke out. The guards retaliated by spraying them with carbon monoxide, stripped them naked, and took away their beds. The prisoners started to become obedient and compliant. The guards were no saints. They left buckets of feces in the cells for extended periods of time, sometimes harassed the prisoners and made them do humiliating things. Less than 36 hours into the experiment, one person started to exhibit signs of depression and had to be released early. With each passing day, more prisoners displayed signs of depression, and the experiment had to be shut down after only 6 days when it was scheduled to run for 2 weeks. The guards were also becoming increasingly violent, especially at nights when they thought the experimenters weren't watching. What made these passive, healthy, and normal people do such bad things? What happened here is known as the Lucifer effect. Is anyone exempt from this? According to the study, Zimbardo himself even started to get so involved in the role